That's the amazing thing about human beings. Enormous creativity, unlimited potential. Doesn't matter whether you're a beggar, whether you're a big businessman, it doesn't matter. They have the same ability to begin with. Simply, they started at two different points, and society never helps changing this situation. So the one who started at the very bottom, he struggles with his life at the very bottom, he cannot move up. And the one who started at the top level, he goes fast, higher and higher. Ability-wise, both have the same capacity. Some even don't know that they have the capacity because they never had the occasion to use any of it. That is the most unfortunate part of the whole world, that everybody carries such a wonderful gift inside of them, gift of creativity, gift of entrepreneurship, gift of innovation, but that gift was never unwrapped. She or he doesn't even know that she has that gift and is wasted away. So I talk about this particularly when I see the difference between all these children in the families of Grameen members. We encourage them to go to school, they went to school, we give them education loan to continue with the higher education. We have now more than 34,000 students on education loans in medical schools, engineering schools, universities. Their parents never went to school. Their grandparents never went to school. Any generation up never went to school. This is the first generation who are going to school. Not only went to school, now they are in the highest education. Some of them have their PhDs already. All we did is just to give a loan, that's all. We don't give a special lessons to them, nothing. They do themselves. So when you see a mother who joined Grameen Bank 15 years back, 20 years back, changed her life with these tiny loans, totally literate, and next to her, young daughter, she's a medical doctor. And you look at them, and you wonder, her mother could have been a doctor too. There's nothing wrong with her mother. Simply, society never gave her an opportunity. She never been able to go to school, forget about being a doctor. In one generation, the child which used to go with her in the center meeting of Grameen Bank, carrying her and watch, and then she went to school, and then went up. She had the education loan, went to medical school, now she's a doctor. So you come back to the same old question. Who creates poverty? And definitely, and the answer is, poor don't create poverty. It's not their creation. Poverty is created by the system. System that we build, system that we design, system that we work with. That's what creates poverty. Poverty is an artificial imposition on human being. It's not natural to human being. It is absolutely the opposite of human being. If it is artificial, anytime we like, we can peel it off. A real human being will come out with unlimited potential to give, explore, unleash. But we don't go that way. The poverty is created by the system built with all the institutions that we built, all those policies that we pursue, all those concepts that we promote. And one institution that I was trying to explain is the financial institution. Why should financial institution make up their mind that you cannot do business with 2/3 of the world population? It doesn't make sense. They were trying to explain to us it's because they are not creditworthy. Somehow they define that they are not creditworthy. And that's why I was raising the question. Let us now decide who are creditworthy. the deepest crisis is also an exciting time, because this is an exciting opportunity to create new. Poverty is an artificial imposition on human being. Why can't we create another kind of business? Business which will aim completely at others. In a social business yogurt company like Grameen Danone, you will be asking, how many children got out of malnutrition this year? Fun of doing this, you overcome the impossible. And if you have designed and you have succeeded in getting 100 people out of welfare, then you have developed a miracle seed. You can take out millions of people out of welfare by planting this seed.